Students, good morning. Students, we have already completed chapter number 1 and now we are about to start chapter number 2, that is polynomial. And from the CBSE point of view, from this chapter, at least 6 mark question comes in board exam. Okay. So let us start with the introduction part. Polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression where the power of variable must be always in a whole number. It cannot be in the fraction or it cannot be in the negative. So you see the whole number start with a 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. So you see the example 4x square plus 3x plus 7. Here the variable is x, and what is the degree of the algebraic expression? That 2. So here this is a polynomial of one variable and degree is 2. Now you see the next example, root x plus 3. So root x can be written as x to the power half plus 3. Here the variable is x and the power is half. And by the definition we know that a polynomial cannot have the variable of other than the whole number. Okay, but here the power is half, so it is not a polynomial. Now let us see the different type of polynomial. Linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1. Now you see the example 2x minus 3. Here the power of x is nothing, means 1. So it is a polynomial of degree 1. So it is called as a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, polynomial of degree 2. The example you see 2x square plus 3x. It is also a polynomial of one variable and the highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial of degree 2. Then the third one, cubic polynomial, polynomial of degree 3. 2 minus x cube. Here the highest power is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial as it is the polynomial of degree 3. Then let us come to the 0 of the polynomial. The 0 of the polynomial px are precisely the x coordinates of the points where the graph of y equal to px intersect the x axis. Means where it intersect the x axis, that many number of 0 it will have. Now in the first graph you see, this is the x axis, this is the y axis. Here the graph intersect at the 2 point. One is a and one is a dash. So here the number of 0 is how much? 2. In the second graph you see the graph intersect at only one point, that is point A. So here the number of 0 is 1. In the third graph you see here the graph is not intersecting at any of the x axis, neither in the x dash nor in the x. So you will see that here there is no 0. And in the fourth graph you see the graph intersect at the 3 point in the x axis, 1 in the x dash, 2 in the x, and again 3 in the x. So how many points it intersect? It intersect at 3 points. So here the number of 0 is 3. So here we have understood about the polynomial. So it was all about the introduction of the chapter. Now in the next video we will be going through exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Thank you.